guys, my name's Will, and this is a quick video of the Bryant 80 plus gas furnace in my attic. So this is matched up with the 2002 two-ton Bryant air conditioner. And as you can see, this is in my attic. There's the antenna. It's right up there. I'm just boards that you have to step on, otherwise you'll fall off. Here's some of the crazy ducts. It's an 80% efficient. It's not like a crazy 80.7 or something. It's just simply 80% efficient. We just came up here to replace the filter. And I thought I'd take a video of it. But that's a return duct, I believe. Or was that a supply? That's a return. So let's go take a look over here. My dad's going in the gable, where we've never been back there before. So this is the fresh air. This is air for the furnace. That's pretty crazy over here. Nobody's ever been back here before. Oh, so this isn't that big.
Well, I don't know how he did that, but I think I pulled that extension cord up as high as I could for right now.
Huh.
It needs to come out the other way. Look at that.
Nice timer.
The timer was plugged in up here.
Huh. Oh, wow. Alright, so again, this is my first time ever really being in the gable or seeing it back there. So here's our chimney that's collapsing on us. And there's the one for the ream right there. It just sort of goes. So wires. It's very drafty up here. Not the very best environment. And it's definitely not a finished attic or anything like that. Let's take another look at the furnace. This is what we really came here for. So let's look at the crazy condensate stuff. There's a gas line that just goes down under there and then eventually turns into flex line there. And then that then goes down there with the air conditioning pipes. This is all in a pan, so that's nice in case there's any leaks or anything. And those pipes just go what's that door? Those pipes just basically go down and into my sink, the drain in my sink. There's the old filter. I guess I'll show you the new filter too. Bryant plus 90. This is a weird furnace. It's a nice filter. You don't have to change it that often. But we just did ours today. There it is. And I have to go now, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. See, it's 80% efficient.